Hello students, I am going to continue with the chapter complex number of 11th standard. Exercise 1.4, the new concept, that is cube root of unity. So all of you know that is the meaning of unity is nothing but the 1. And here we are going to find out the cube root of unity. So how we can represent it? So cube root is nothing but like this one. Cube root of 1, that is cube root of unity. So let us we consider that is cube root of unity, that is cube root of 1 is nothing but x. Now cubing both sides, what we get? So cubing means here we take the cube of x simultaneously. The cube of this total one, that is cube, get cancelled, and so we get here 1. So here we get x cube minus x cube is equals to 1. I am moving 1 to this side. So x cube minus 1, and since the first term is cube, so we also can write this 1 cube. So here we see the formula, that is a cube minus b cube. And you know the expansion of this one is a minus b in second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So just I am going to use this formula. X minus 1 in first bracket, in second bracket x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Since the product of this two bracket is 0, the first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. So x minus 1 is 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1. And here we are going to solve this quadratic equation. So we can't use here the factorization because we don't get here the factors of this one. So we are going to use the formula method. So comparing it with the standard quadratic equation, we get the that is ax square plus bx plus c. So here we get the value of a is 1, b is 1 and c is also 1. So b square minus 4ac is equals to a square minus 4. The value of a is 1 and c is also 1. So 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Now we are going to use the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And so by putting this value, we get x is equals to minus 1 plus minus root the value of b square minus 4ac is already we find, that is minus 3 upon 2. And now we split this, so minus 1 plus minus root 3 into root of minus 1 upon 2, and this is nothing but the I. So here we get minus 1 plus minus root 3i upon 2. Means the value of cube root of unity is either x is equals to 1 or x is equals to minus 1 plus root 3i upon 2 and minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2. Now using same concept, we are going to use the next one, that is here we instead of x we are going to use this letter which is called as omega in Greek letters, Greek language. So this is nothing but the omega. It looks like the W. So just we have to use like this way. So omega is equals to cube root of 1. So I am going to take this concept as it is. Instead of x I am going to write it omega. So omega is equals to cube root of 1. Now cubing both sides, same to that of we get, that is omega cube is equals to 1. Now again we move this 1 to this side, so omega cube minus 1 cube is equals to 0. Using the formula of a cube minus b cube, we get omega minus 1 in second bracket omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. Means either this first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. Now what is the difference here? Here we get the value of omega as a 1 or a c. This is one formula, that is you have to keep in mind these things, that is omega is equals to 1 or omega cube is equals to 1, and next one omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the main formula. From this we can find out the value of the remaining. So if we take this omega square plus omega, then the value of this 2 is minus 1. We moving this 1 to this side. If we want to find out the value of omega plus 1, then move this omega square to this side, so minus omega square. And if we want to find out the value of omega square plus 1, then we get minus omega. मतलब ये जो formulas है, ये जो values है, these are the very important values, that is omega cube is 1. आगे की जो examples है उसमें हम ये formulas use करने वाले हैं. Omega cube is 1 and this is the main formula. ये जो फॉर्मूला ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इससे इसका हेल्प लेके हम ये तीनों फॉर्मूले फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Now we're going to start with the exercise. So the first example, every time you have to keep in mind this formula, that is omega cube is 1 and omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. So exercise 1.4, the question number 1, that is find the value of. So you have to find out the value of omega raised to 18, omega 21, omega raised to minus 30, omega raised to minus 105. So बेसिक कंसेप्ट यू हैव टू नो दैट इज ओमेगा क्यूब का जो वैल्यू होता है वो 1 होता है. सो ये जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है उसको हम इसके फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. सो बेस इज ओमेगा क्यूब. सो ये 3 से हम 18 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 6. यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ ओमेगा क्यूब इज 1. 1 रेज टू एनीथिंग इज 1. Just write down omega cube is 1. Next same, that is we have to write down this in the base, that is omega cube, and cube से उसको divide करो 21 को, हमें 7 मिलेगा. इसका वैल्यू है 1. omega cube is 1. So 1 raised to 7, that is 1. Similarly here omega cube, every time the base should be omega cube. ये cube से इसको divide करो -10, 1 raised to -10, 1 raised to anything, the answer is 1. And similarly here, so omega cube raised to -35, so here we get 1 raised to -35, so the answer is 1. Now see the question number 2. If omega is a complex cube root of unity, then show that omega is complex cube root of unity, then show. So what is the meaning of this one? Omega is complex cube root of unity means the omega cube is equals to 1 and omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the meaning of this one. ये जो मैंने लिखा है इसका मीनिंग है ये कॉम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी है. सो 2 माइनस ओमेगा एंड इन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट 2 माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 7. सो वी हैव टू शो दैट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस 2 is 7. जस्ट टेकिंग LHS, taking the product of these 2, so 2 2s are 4 minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega plus omega cube. So you know the value of omega cube is 1. From this I take the -2 as a common, so in bracket omega square plus omega. Now see, you know that is omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. Here in this example we have to find out the value of omega square plus omega. So omega square plus omega को हम एक साइड में रखते हैं, so this 1 goes to another side, so we get the value that is -1. तो इसके बदले omega square plus omega के बदले हम लिखते हैं -1 plus 1 as it is. So this minus minus plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7, and that is nothing but the RHS, and so LHS equals to RHS. Now see the second example. 1 plus omega minus omega square raised to 6 is equals to 64. So again the same concept we have to in each example you have to write down this one. So here 1 plus omega, I am taking the LHS, minus omega square raised to 6. So 1 plus omega, just I am going to find out the value of 1 plus omega. So this minus omega square, and this minus omega square is as it is raised to 6. So 2 times of omega square, so minus 2 omega square bracket raised to 6. So यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है, तो जब पावर इवन होगी तो ये अल्टीमेटली पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. So 2 raised to 6 is nothing but the 64, and omega square raised to 6, that is omega raised to 12. So we can split it like this way, that is 64 omega cube raised to 4, and you know the value of omega is 1, so 64 into 1 raised to 4, so the answer is 64, and so we get the RHS, and so LHS equals to RHS. Now see the next one, that is third one. 1 plus omega bracket cube minus 1 plus omega square bracket cube is equals to 0. So the LHS is 1 plus omega bracket cube minus 1 plus omega square bracket cube. So you know the value of 1 plus omega. So 1 plus omega is nothing but minus omega square. So here I put the value minus omega square bracket cube, and 1 plus omega square. Now see again, 1 plus omega square is nothing but minus omega. So minus omega bracket cube. Now see, I take this minus sign outside, so omega square raised to cube, that is 3 2s are 6, and again this minus omega cube is as it is. Now minus, I split this, that is omega cube raised to 2, and this minus minus plus, and omega cube का value है 1. So here we get the 1 square, so minus 1 and plus 1, so the 1 get cancelled. Answer is 0, and so LHS equals to RHS. Now see the fourth example. 1 plus omega square bracket cube minus 1 minus 3 omega plus omega square bracket cube is equals to 65. Again here in this bracket we see that is omega plus omega square, and we can easily find this value, that is omega plus omega square का value होता है -1, and in second bracket 1 plus omega square, so 1 plus omega square का value है minus omega. Just I am going to put down these values. So this 2 is as it is, instead of this I write this -1 and bracket cube as it is, minus 3 omega as it is, and 1 plus omega square का value है minus omega, and bracket cubes are as it is. So 2 minus 1 bracket cube, and यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है मतलब 1 है, so -1 minus 3, that is -4 omega bracket cube. So 1 cube minus the 4 cube, that is 64 omega cube. So 1 cube minus plus 64 omega cube का value है 1. So 64 plus 1, that is 65. That is nothing but the RHS, and so LHS equals to RHS. Now see the fifth example. That is 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square bracket raised to 6 minus 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square bracket cube is equals to 0. Same formula I write here. Now see, from these 2 we can take the common as a 3, so in bracket we will get 1 plus omega, and this term is as it is. Same here, 2 plus 2 omega square, 6 omega is as it is. Taking 2 commons we will get 1 plus omega square bracket cube. Now see, we put the value of 1 plus omega, so 1 plus omega is nothing but minus omega square, plus 5 omega square as it is, 6 omega, and again the same, that is 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square is minus omega bracket raised to cube. Now see, minus 3 omega square and this plus 5 omega square bracket raised to 6. 6 omega plus minus 2 omega bracket cube. So the answer of this one is 2 omega square bracket raised to 6, and 6 minus 2, that is 4 omega bracket cube. So 2 raised to 6 is 64, and this omega square raised to 6 is nothing but omega raised to 12, and minus 64, that is 4 cube is nothing but the 64, and omega cube is as it is. Now 64 keeping as it is, omega raised to 12 we can write like this way, that is omega cube raised to 4 minus 64, omega cube is 1. So 64 into 1 and again 64 into 1, so the answer is 0, and that is nothing but the RHS, and so LHS equals to RHS. Now see the next example. Example number 6 is quite different. A plus b omega plus c omega square upon c plus a omega plus b omega square is equals to omega square. The formulas are same, that is omega cube is 1, and omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. Now see, we're going to start with the LHS. So a plus b omega plus c omega square, c plus a omega plus b omega square. Now there is no 1 means there is a 1. So we can write a into 1. B omega is also we can write it with the 1, and c omega square. बाकी सब terms हम ऐसे लिखने वाले हैं. And you know that is 1. So what is 1? Omega cube is nothing but 1. So instead of 1 we write omega cube. So ये थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट के लिए हमने लिखा है. So a 1 का वैल्यू मैंने पुट किया है ओमेगा क्यूब, एंड b एज इट इज ओमेगा, ये ओमेगा है और यहाँ पे 1 का वैल्यू ओमेगा क्यूब. सो ओमेगा क्यूब इंटू ओमेगा, दैट इज ओमेगा रेज टू 4, एंड c omega square upon these terms are as it is, and from the numerator we take the omega square as common. The lowest power जो जिसका होता है वो हम कॉमन लेते हैं. सो a ओमेगा यहाँ पे b omega square and c as it is. See, the numerator and denominators are same, the brackets get cancelled, and so the answer is omega square, and so LHS equals to RHS. So these are the some 6 examples. There are total 10 examples. So I solved here the first is 6 examples from the question number 2, and the remaining example for your homework. Thank you.